Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing a happy mail from Humble Bee & Co. on Instagram, who is Lindsay. And look at this. I have never seen a happy mail come wrapped in fabric before. It actually, I think it might be glued shut here. I have to cut this. That's not good. I do not want to cut this, but I don't see any other way to open it. Oh, well, maybe if we just cut straight across. Oh, that's so hard to do, just because it's such a beautiful way to package something. And then I can like reuse the bottom. Maybe I could make a bag out of the bottom of the material. Very tricky. Trying to cut as least amount as I have to. I wonder how she glued that. Glue gun? Crazy glue? I just wonder if I could just pull it out now. I'm going to have to cut it further. I wonder if that'll be enough. Nope. Okay. I think I've saved as much of the fabric as I can. There we go. Yeah, that'll make a nice bag. There. I can just do a nice cut across the top and then, oh, for goodness sakes. Look at that. Maybe could have gotten it that way. Anyway. I've never got something like that before. Oh, wow. So this was supposed to be a Christmas mail. So there's my letter or card. And actually I can open it up and just show you what the card looks like. I will read what's inside later. So it's a very elegant gold lined simplistic cover. Yay! This is lovely. It's a sequin mix that she has sent to me with some little bells and hearts. So those are little like fuzzy hearts in there. So that's cute. And some big sequins and some small ones. And some like snowflakes and stars and gems. All kinds of lovely little things. Love sequin mixes. Oh, there's some little felt goodies in here with a beautiful satin gold bow. Oh, that's some of those little tiny hearts there. I'm still just putting some final touches on my December daily, so all of those will come in handy. So look at, she has gifted me this little bag topper, and she has actually made some more so I can create bag toppers of my own. And then, oh, tucked inside here, see if we can get these tags to slip out. So she has gifted me, and what a good match this is, these fun alphabet letters. That's really a cute way to put those together. That's neat. And then all these fun little Halloween pieces. These are beautiful tags. Eek, I love this one. Really cute. And then she has sent me some beautiful ribbon, red and like this sort of ivory lace. All this fun shred. My girls are going to go crazy over these presents because they actually really love little presents like this. They've made some crafts with them as well over the holidays. Some more ribbon, which will be good not even for just Christmas, but for Valentine's Day that's coming up. So I can even craft with that. Ooh, so many good things. I love pom-poms, and there's like these charms in here that are made out of stars. Oh, there's all sorts of fun little goodies in here. There's a little clothes peg and some sequins, some beads, all kinds of goodness. Oh, so she showed me how she would use one of these little tags, and it is on a bag here, and then she has gifted me some of these as well. So sweet. And then wow, look at that. Yay, more of these beautiful sequins and bells, stars, pom-pom and things. Can definitely make great use out of all of these. And so I have gold and silver. So that's terrific. Believe it or not, I actually just signed up for a Christmas in July swap. So all of these Christmas items will actually get put to use before you know it. I'm going to actually start Christmas crafting, and look at this bee. How perfect, since that is in her name. That's really cute. I wonder what else little gems are hiding in there. I really like those little bells. That's fun. All sorts of cute little things. Some little squares and snowflakes. Oh, you can see that one there. Some little gold leaves. Lovely. And then some fun shred at the bottom, which is always appreciated. Well, so thank you so much, Lindsay. I really appreciate this surprise mail, even though it's after Christmas. It's always fun to get this. And like I said, I'm still going to be working on Christmas stuff. I normally work on my December daily through the entire year to get it all done, because I do quite a big project with mine, and this year I've actually been really efficient with it. I've printed almost all of my pictures and put them all in order, so like a huge majority of the work has already been done. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.